Hi, I'm Amber from WTI, and if you're looking to start a new instrument, I recommend this clarinet. I played clarinet a few times in high school, but it's been years since I played, and I was able to pick this up and play it with very little problem and very little squeaking.
Mendini really sets you up for success. Everything is neatly placed. We even have a pocketbook to learn how to play clarinet. It even comes with a reed on it already on the mouthpiece, a little extra box of reeds, and a strap for making it easy to hold and play. And it comes with some tools for cleaning and even some white gloves for playing.
This is from Mendini by Cecilio. This is a really great clarinet for starters or for those more advanced. The clarinet is beautiful. Its coloring is just gorgeous. The clarinet sounds beautiful. So everything fits together really well. There aren't any spaces or gaps, so the sound is very clear, the tone is very clear and very beautiful. So if you're looking to pick up a new instrument, I highly recommend this one from Cecilio. And that is my point of view.